Welcome to the Jungle School Adventure! Get ready for a new episode! It's a brand new day at Jungle School! Here comes Sheru the lion cub! Everyone's having fun. I hope I can make a friend.
Hi! You must be new. Wanna play with me? Wow! You're super fast!
And you're super strong! Soon, everyone wanted to join the fun.
It's time for class!
Good morning, class! Today, we'll learn about teamwork.
Sheru and Mimi are partners today. I'll fix the top pieces. And I'll do the bottom. Together, they finish the puzzle perfectly.
Teamwork makes everything fun!
Here, try some banana.
Friends always share.
It tickles. Oh no! Oh no! It's raining! We're safe here. Look!
A rainbow after the rain.
Wait for me. I want to play too. Look! Look! Sheru painted a lion. Let's make jungle music.
Yay! Jungle dance time! Fast dance rhythm! Yay! Jungle dance time! Let's do this together!
Sheru helped his friend. The jungle was proud of them.
Great job, Sheru and Mimi.
The jungle was full of joy.
The sun is setting over the happy jungle.
Wow, the sky looks beautiful. I learned that friendship is the best thing. We'll always be friends. Bye, friends. See you tomorrow at Jungle School. The end.